Steve Milloy is here. Milloy is the publisher of the popular website Junk Science that debunks popular scientific myths, which I have no doubt led him to his new book, which is called Scare Pollution: Why and How to Fix the EPA. And that is why Steve is the perfect guest to have this week, as the Senate panel this past week just approved EPA credit Scott Pruitt to head the agency. And that's actually where I want to start today. Steve, welcome to Financial Mythbusting.
Thanks for having me, Dawn.
So Steve, who's the Oklahoma Attorney General, Scott Pruitt, is a climate change skeptic, right?
Yes.
And he has fought the Environmental Protection Agency's regulation on carbon emissions, and now he's moved a clear step closer to becoming the agency's leader. I wonder, is there an issue here that Pruitt approaches regulation from a perspective of a polluter rather than somebody who's the opposite?
Well, that sounds like a loaded question. No,
Yeah.
I don't think there's an issue. You know, one of the great myths that the environmentalists have successfully perpetrated is that our air is polluted. Our air is clean. Our water is safe. It's no longer 1970 or 1960 or 1950. EPA and Americans and states have spent the last 46 years cleaning up the air, and the air is clean. As a matter of fact, the air was clean 25 years ago. What Scott Pruitt has spent, the reason he has sued EPA almost a dozen times is because EPA, regularly engages in regulatory overreach. And by that I mean that they are exceeding their authority granted to them by Congress. And so as AG of Oklahoma, Scott has had to sue them to try to put them back in their box.
But he also has significant conflicts of interest. I mean, is that going to be a problem? I mean, he has significant ties to the oil and gas industry.
Well, he's from Oklahoma.
Right.
There's a lot of oil and gas out there. He's representing his state's interests. That's been his job. As EPA administrator, he is going to be working for the president, executing EPA's authority. And, EPA has various authorities. For example, under the Clean Air Act, to make the air safe. The air is safe.
Right.
Scott will make sure that the air remains safe. What's the conflict of interest? As long as the air is safe, there's no conflict of interest.
Do you think that he lacks experience in environmental protection?
I think Scott knows more about the EPA and the wickedness, if you will, of
Right.
the agency than most people, because he has sued the EPA almost a dozen times. He's well aware of how the EPA overreaches, and he's probably the perfect administrator for reining in the EPA and bringing the rogue agency within the law.